My name is Robin Quintas. I am the Program Manager for Security and Emergency Response here at Envoy, and I have been working with the company or the product for 22 years. I work with all the different departments here. I work with in-flight, flight, field service, all of the different stations, safety, regulatory, there's all of the training departments. All of these things have a security function in them, and it's my job to make sure that we kind of stay on track and that when there are changes to the requirements, that we meet those changes. I also deal a lot with other external agencies, sometimes CBP, USDA, FEMA. So really a lot of this job is building relationships within the company, but also externally. My first position was a ramp agent in Greenville, Spartanburg, and I got into that job because I needed a job that I could work nights and weekends because I was raising my children during the day. And so I thought, airports, they're open nights and weekends, and that's how I got started. And then one day they were shorthanded at the ticket counter, and I said, well, if you need help, I can do that G- and GB- entry. And they were like, really? And I said, sure, because I've been watching over people's shoulders. So they sent me off to customer service training, and from there, things just progressed on. I eventually moved to Jacksonville, Florida, worked there, and then I worked in Pensacola. Then I became a corporate instructor here at Envoy. When corporate training went to regional training, I temporarily worked for a contractor, and then I came back into this position. This was the job I had always wanted. I have been all over the world. I've been to Egypt, Bali, India, Madrid, Barcelona. Those are opportunities that you just don't have if you work in some kind of industry other than the airline industry. I think it's important to continue your education, so that would be my advice to somebody else. I would say, always keep moving forward and keep learning. Just get your foot in the door and learn everything that you can.